All right. Hello. Why don't you tell me about yourself?
All right. So, hi, I'm Julia. So one of the ideas that has always been fascinating to me is longevity. Understanding how we as a species can live longer and healthier lives. But to understand longevity, we need to understand diseases, especially age-related diseases. And it's this curiosity that led me to pursue research understanding the processes or mechanisms underlying neurodegenerative diseases. I study Huntington's disease, which is a genetic neurodegenerative disease. And I study this in part because it serves as a genetic model to study the similarities between all neurodegenerative diseases. So all of these diseases, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, ALS, they all have a common molecular pathology in that patients exhibit these huge clumps of accumulated proteins within the cell. So my dissertation research focuses on understanding the pathogenic mechanisms of this protein accumulation in the context of Huntington's disease and validating a therapy to treat it. More recently, I've come to realize that not only do I have a passion for understanding diseases of aging, but I really love talking about it. When I began teaching and giving presentations in grad school, I realized that exchanging ideas about complex molecular interactions and discussing the hurdles to treating these diseases, it gave me a huge sense of fulfillment and purpose. And I find that as I transition out of grad school, a lot of my career interests involve talking about science as it relates to human health, as it relates to patient care, because I think that if we're going to live longer, healthier lives, we need to talk about what's working in the clinic and what's not. We need to understand these diseases at a molecular level, and we need to talk about big ideas to treat them. Thank you.